Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section. And with all that being said, we are just taking a quick look at Polygon today on our daily time frame. As we can see, looking like we might be breaking down from this big old support trend line that we've been literally sitting at for basically this entire bear market. As you can see here, potentially could be breaking down from this level right now, just like a lot of cryptos look like they might be breaking down from local support. You can see the breakdown, the backtest, and the bearish candle today so far. So if that is the case and we do get continuation, as I said, we could be looking at retesting down here again at this 50-cent level. Altcoins getting absolutely crushed right now because Bitcoin's chopping sideways and being annoying and boring for the markets. Because of that, obviously Bitcoin chopping sideways means that altcoins bleed. This is always the case. Bitcoin's sitting at 66k right now and altcoins just bleeding to the downside as a result. And it's happening for pretty much every altcoin that I'm looking at, to be honest. All that sideways bearish sentiment for Bitcoin is bleeding altcoins into the dirt. But right now, Polygon here looking like it's very much could be breaking down from this level of support. Only a month or so ago we were up at 128 and now we're at 60 cents here, looking like we might break down again. So big swings for Polygon at the minute. But right now we are waiting and seeing if Bitcoin is gonna swing the axe and send this down.